How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can change to inches in Creality Slicer. Now, if you're editing your models onto slicers, it is basically set onto millimeters as a default because it's crucial even in millimeters that you get everything right. Now, the way to change this on your slicer, unfortunately, there is no button in order for us to do that easily. But what we can do is to simply head over to our calculator. From here, if you want to turn this on to inches, in my case, I'm just going to edit out the scaling of my objects right here. And basically, we can edit this the way we want to. In here, we have our X, Y, and Z. So what you can do basically just to measure them out individually. Normally 1 millimeters or 1 inches, it's going to be 25.4 millimeters. So for example, if we want to do something like 3 inches, you could do 25.4 times 3 because we want 3 inches, and then it's going to be 76.2. So you could just use these values and input them manually. For the second one, we want to use 25.4 times 5 inches. It's going to be 127 millimeters. And basically from there, if you hit on enter, it will then look something like this. Now, of course, you can just make sure to adjust them accordingly depending on the inches or the measurements that you will go ahead and use. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.